Hello everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use $v$s $v2 apex item to work with form in Oracle Apex. When we are doing a project with Oracle Apex, we often use JavaScript in dynamic action. Oracle Apex supports many functions such as $v$s $v2 apex item to work with items in the form. This video I'm going to talk about how to use these functions. When we are developing with Oracle Apex, I suggest you use these functions instead of custom JavaScript whenever possible because these functions syntax are simple and make your application maintainable. $v retrieve item value in the form. $s set the value to the item in the form. $v2 retrieve multiple select items value like checkboxes, group radius, and select list. Apex item has many more functions you can reference in Oracle Apex document. Suppose I have a form page. There are some items like text field, multiple select list, multiple checkboxes. Now I'm going to show you how to get the value from the item and set one item value. I will use the dynamic action to demonstrate it. I'm going to show you in two ways to make it. First, I will get the text item employee. Like, for example, I input the name Mike and change the item and alert the message to display the value, and then set the value to the text field and click the OK. Mike, how are you? I will use $v to get the value and $s to set the value. In another way, I will use apex item function get value and set value to achieve it. It is the same as the $v and $s. Next, I will work on the multiple checkboxes to achieve it. I'm going to use $v2 to retrieve the multiple checkboxes and set the value to the one text field. I will show you, like accounting, the return value is 10 and set the value to the text field and select another values of the checkboxes and click the OK. And we can see the two values of the checkboxes. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's start. Now let's start. I'm going to hit the Edit Page tab and then enter into the Page Designer to edit the page. On the left side, I switch to the Dynamic Action tab and click Change. On the right side, I give it the dynamic action name. And condition is when the item change, I choose item P13 underscore in name and set up the JavaScript function. I choose the execute JavaScript code. I copy the code from the notepad I have written. I will explain the code. Then I open the two lines code. $v is retrieve the item value from this item P13 underscore in name, and I put the value to the variable C and set this item P13 underscore test using C $s is set the value to the item. Now I click the OK and the get value. Oh, yeah. I delete this name and use the duplicate name. Get the set value. Select. I will show you how to achieve. I input the name Mike and alert the message. The value is from getting this item, and click the OK and set the value to here. Next, I will show you how to achieve from multiple text boxes and set the values to the item. Then I will edit the page 13 and enter into the page designer. I create another dynamic action. I give it name get site to and change the item. This item multiple text box is department number, and the action is I will choose the result JavaScript code. I have written JavaScript code and I copy from my notepad. And $V2 is get the select text box and go into the loop and go. This is a loop. Alert the selected value and set the value to the item P13 and score department number to the P13 test2. Now I run the page and see the results. I select this value and alert the message, and this is the return value is 10. I select another value and we can see is 20. Now this value is set to this item. Okay, this video is just simply introducing the JavaScript function. If you want to dig into more functions, please reference Algo Apex official documents. Thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next video.